Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of the Graphic Man. So today I'm going to show you how to recreate any given 2D logo to a 3D logo using Photoshop, Cinema 4D, and you can also use GIMPs. So don't worry about it, you don't have Photoshop. So we're going to start here with your favorite logo, of course. I'm going to use the Overwatch logo since it's like a really easy logo to use for this tutorial. So I'm going to go just File, Open, select your logo, and here we're gonna divide our logo in colors. So first I'm gonna select the orange color with my magic wand tool. I recommend having the logo with the PNG version so it doesn't have a background. If it does have a background, just eliminate it. So select it, then right click, make word path, tolerance put it to 1.0 since it's gonna be better for the result. Hit OK, just go to file, export, paths to Illustrator. We're not going to use Illustrator. It's just for merge the Illustrator path to Cinema 4D. Select OK. Save it. Orange. Overwatch. Save. Now we're going to do the same with the other color. Select it. Right click. Make word path. 1. OK. File. Export. Paths to Illustrator. Okay. Other. Overwatch. All right. Now that we have this, we are done with Photoshop. So we're just gonna switch back to Cinema 4D. Now that we are on Cinema 4D, just go to File, Merge Objects, Overwatch, and select your two. I'm gonna select one by one. The orange part here is gonna say scale 1 centimeter. Just press OK, and as you can see already here, we got the first part of our logo. So we're gonna do the other same. File, merge objects, other. Okay. So as you can see here, we already have our logo. We just need to make it 3D, right? So for that, we're gonna go here, left click and extrude. So we're gonna need two extrude parts since our logo is divided in two. So I'm gonna just put it right now. So we have two extrudes here. Now drag and drop each part of the logo in one extrude, like this and like this. Now as you can see, we already have our 3D logo. We can actually change it a little bit. Select the extrude part if you want to make it more depth, just like this. I mean, this is personal preference. And there you go. There we have our 3D logo. And pretty simple. We can, of course, add some colors if we want, just to make it better. There's just gonna be, oh, missed that part. This color. A quick render. And as we can see, there's our 3D logo. So you can actually create any kind of logo here. Of course, if you have a better illumination or better texture, your logo will look better. But this is a pretty good way to recreate a fast, quick logo, whatever you want on 3D. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to recreate a logo. It's really useful if you're in need to recreate something from 2D to 3D in quick steps and you don't have the time. So I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.